Hey guys, following some repairs today on the evaporator. Obviously we broke into the system. I'm going to replace the filter dryer. The old dryer has already been removed. Whenever you're installing one of these, you need to pay attention to the flow direction. So the flow of liquid from the receiver, out of the receiver, down the liquid line, through the sight glass, indoors, up to the evaporator. Alright, so we're going to mount this way. Always put some new gaskets on there, make sure they're nice and sealed properly.